Next activity on the Scratch coding cards is press a key. And if we look at the steps, they are again the same. And this is the instruction set that we have to give to this particular sprite. In order to begin this activity, we will open our Scratch existing project and we will go to the sprite library and take a new sprite from there. I'm going to take this one. You can take any other sprite also. Let's start giving instructions to this particular sprite. And for that, we will go to the events category and take the instruction when spacebar is pressed. And the second instruction from the motion category, that turn 15 degrees towards right hand side. We can increase the angle here, like say turn 90 degrees or any other value as per your convenience. Further, change the color effect also by 25. Now every time we press any spacebar key from the keyboard, so it is changing the color and turning 90 degrees also. Next, on the coding cards, they told that from this drop down menu, we can take another key from the keyboard also. There are multiple options available like this. So if we select any other key from here and we press particular key from the keyboard, then it's going to work in the same way.